Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to kit up my Batman kit. This is hopefully going to be my last project for 2025. I don't even know if I'm going to get to it, but I'm going to kit it up and I'm going to think positive. So this shouldn't take very long. I've only got 8 colors. It is only a 30 by 30, so I'm just going to dive in. So I'm going to be using my Elizabeth Ward knockoff tray for this. It is a tray that usually only has the very small containers in it. So I have grabbed from my other Elizabeth Wards some of the larger containers because most of this kit is gray and black, as you can imagine. I have 5 bags of gray, so those are going to go into the biggest containers. I've got 2 bags of black, that's going to go in here, and then I think everything else will fit in the tiniest containers. So I'm going to get all the stickers on here so I can get going and get everything put where it needs to go. And I'm like, okay, so black is going to go in this container, and then these 2 large containers are going to have this gray that is the background color. I only have 1 sticker, of course, but I will mark the second one with another sticker just to keep it straight for myself. I'm also going to be adding in some additional ABs. I don't think I'm going to add in any black ABs, but I am going to try and see if I can find some fairy dust for the chrome on the fender here in the windshield, because I think that would look cool. And I may look for some additional white ABs. They have the stars and the moon as white ABs, but all of this smoke coming off is just regular white, and I don't know if I want to make that regular white or if I want to make it an AB. I don't know if making it an AB would make it look weird, so we'll see. Ooh, hopefully all these are going to go in there. Thought there was enough room. This is the containers that I forgot about that someone pointed out to me that I could have used when I was kitting up the gingerbread lighthouse, and I completely forgot about them, which is fine. Just kicking myself that I didn't remember them, because it would have made it easier to fit everything in one tray for that if I had remembered I had them. All right, so this one is the next one. I'm going to go ahead and do these, the small ones, in DMC order, just because that'll make my life easier when I go to kit down. I haven't been doing too much kitting down lately. I actually had someone ask me if I kept all of my spare drills, and I used to. However, after packing all of them up to move and looking at the sheer number that I have that I haven't used yet, I've not been hanging on to them in the sense that I keep them, sort them into my spare storage and all of that. Ooh, these are a little staticky. All right, that one was maybe a little bit too full and staticky for what I wanted, but they're all in there now. Let's hope the ones that I have so many of are not staticky like that. Those weren't staticky at all, so that bodes well. All right, let's see how the black goes. A little bit of static, but not terrible. That one didn't have any. Okay, so I guessed right on the size for that one. Oh, there's a yellow escapee in there. All right, so then I have my biggest section of colors left. This is going to be a lot of multi-placing, which hopefully will make the painting go even faster. Not sure if I can get 3 or 4 of these bags in here. We'll see. I think that's going to be the maximum for that one. So let me put the last 2 in this one. Like I said, hopefully this one will not take too much time. I'm working diligently on Gingerbread Lighthouse, trying to get it done. Ooh, a little bit of static in this one. That last bag had some static. Anyway, once I get Gingerbread Lighthouse finished, then I can move on to this one, which I hope will only take me a couple of days, but we'll see how that goes for me. So I've got everything kitted up in here. This one, and maybe even this one, and the $37.99 I need to do my little static guard trick with. All right, that's much better. There's a couple sticking there, but much better. So I'll do that static trick with the rest of them, but that's all my colors kitted up. I'm going to cut off this extra section here because I don't use these extra stickers. And then I will put this underneath so that I know that's what these drills are for. And then I just need to prep my canvas. I found some cute black and white little mustache washi tape that I've been saving for something. This black and white canvas seems like the perfect place to use it. And I made myself some little cover sheets with the little Batman image on it that hubby had some leftover sticker paper from another project, so I snagged some of that and just made myself some release papers, which I just realized are not going to work because I need to print on the back of the sticker paper, and I think it already has something printed on it, so I'll have to figure something out. If I just use some of my other pre-made sticker papers until I can get some actual sticker paper that I need, that will work. All right, guys, short and sweet today. It's the holidays. I know everyone is super busy. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate, and if not, I hope you have a happy holiday season. Before you go, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.